Hi everyone. Today, we are tackling a very common problem when you upgrade your Spring Boot project to version 3.x. Many developers hit a specific error message. It looks like could not resolve org.springframework.boot spring-boot-gradle-plugin 3.0.1. This can be really frustrating. But don't worry. We will walk through the steps to fix it together. This error means your Gradle build tool cannot find the Spring-boot-gradle plugin. It specifically looks for version 3.0.1 in this example. This usually happens in your build.gradle or build.gradle.kts file. Or it might be in your settings.gradle file. The plugin is super important for Spring Boot projects. Without it, your project simply won't build correctly. Let's look at why this happens and how to fix it. First, let's talk about the common causes. The most frequent reason is a simple typo. Did you type 3.0.1 when you actually need a different version? Spring Boot 3.x has many versions like 3.1.0, 3.2.0, 3.2.5, and so on. They change often. Another big reason is your repository configuration. Gradle needs to know where to download plugins from. If Maven Central, or Gradle plugin portal, is missing, Gradle can't find anything. Sometimes, it's just your IDE's cache getting confused. Now, let's dive into the solutions. 1. Verify your plugin version. Open your build.gradle or build.gradle.kts file. Look for the plugins block. You will see something like ID org.springframework.boot and then version 3.x.x. Make absolutely sure this version number matches a real, existing Spring Boot-Gradle plugin version. For example, if you are upgrading your project to Spring Boot 3.2.5, your plugin version should also be 3.2.5. A very common mistake is leaving it at an old 3.0.1 when newer, stable versions are available. Always check the official Spring Boot documentation for the latest stable plugin version that matches your Spring Boot framework version. 2. Check your repositories. Next, open your settings.gradle or settings.gradle.kts file. Inside the pluginManagement block, you must ensure you have repositories, Gradle plugin portal. It's also good practice to include Maven Central there. These lines tell Gradle exactly where to search for plugins and dependencies. Without them, Gradle has no idea where to look. It just gets lost. 3. Clean and rebuild your project. Sometimes, your integrated development environment, IDE, cache gets messed up. This is a common fix for many build issues. Try cleaning your Gradle build. In IntelliJ IDEA, you can often go to build-clean project. Then, refresh your Gradle project. You can usually find a refresh button in the Gradle tool window. A more powerful step is to go to file-invalidate caches/restart, and then select invalidate and restart. This often resolves stubborn resolution problems. 4. Consider network or proxy issues. This is less common for this specific error, but it's worth a quick check. If you are working behind a corporate network or proxy, ensure your Gradle settings, usually in gradle.properties, are correctly configured for proxy access. This allows Gradle to connect to the external plugin repositories. Following these steps should help you resolve the could not resolve error. Upgrading to Spring Boot 3.x brings many great new features and improvements. Don't let small technical hurdles stop you from enjoying them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, tutorials, and solutions on Spring Boot and Java development. Your support helps us create more content. See you in the next video.